Before we start our lessons for today, I want Mr. Clyde to lead the prayer first. In the name of the Father, to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good morning, students. Okay, please be seated. Please be seated according to your sitting arrangement, okay? Because I will be the one who check your attendance first. Now, only Mr. Malala is absent. Who knows the reason why? Okay, Mr. Clyde, why? Okay, thank you for your response, Please be seated now. Okay, students, I want you to pick up pieces of paper under your chairs. Okay, thank you so much. And please arrange it properly. Para maganda na matitingnan dito. Okay, thank you. Okay, now please be seated na. Okay, students, always remember that if I am asking questions, don't answer me kung mas maliwanag pa. Okay, thank you so much. And please be participative to our class discussion for today. Thank you so much, students. Okay now, sino na ang nakapag-advance study for our lessons for today? Anyone? Okay, at marami-rami din. Thank you. Yung iba, hanggang hindi. Lack of time. Okay. Okay lang yan dahil ituturo ko naman ito ngayon sa inyo. Okay now, before ako mag-proceed to my main discussion is mag-review muna tayo to kaunti sa past lessons ninyo. Kahit elementary na, sa elementary level ninyo is alam nyo na ito. Okay now, let's review first. No? So, ang review natin is more on addition lang. No? Alam ko na alam nyo na mag-add and subtraction. Dahil yan, two operations na yan is topic natin for today. Now, okay, now, kung talagang alam nyo na, so for example, students, 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. So, directly add lang. No? Okay, now, 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 equals to 10. Very good, students. Again, 100 minus 51. 100 minus 51. Multiplied. Okay? Is 49. Another one. 8 plus 2 plus 4 minus 10. 8 plus 2 plus 4 minus 10 is equals to Ma'am Kayla is equals to 4. Thank you so much, Ma'am. Another one. 40 minus 20 minus 10 minus 5 plus 15 is equals to what? Equals to Sir Canyon. It's 20. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Okay. Please quiet na. Okay, mag-proceed na tayo to our discussion. Okay, now, ano napansin niyo, di ba? Is mo, madali lang. Madali lang naman ang mag-add, di ba? So, tingnan natin if ganun pa rin ba ang response ninyo the way na mag-discuss na ako. Okay? Na-relate na natin sa topic natin for today. But, bago yan, maipapakita muna ako sa inyong video, no? Na related sa topic natin para mas maliwanagan kayo. Okay, students, please watch this video. Then, please take note of what you observe because I will be the one ask a question after you watch the video, okay? Maliwanag lang. Okay, please watch the video. Okay, thank you so much. The video clip is done. Anyone, what did you observe? What did you observe about the video? Okay, Mr. Bruno, what did you observe? Okay, thank you so much, sir. Ano pa? Sir Omar, ano ang observe mo sa video clip kanina? Okay, thank you so much. Anyone, for girls naman, Ma'am Faith, ano ang observe mo? Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. So, thank you for your observation, no? So, titignan natin mamaya if ang observation nyo is connected to our topic for today. But, students, I want you to read our objectives for today. Okay, now. Students, please read. Now, thank you so much, students. At the end of the lesson, the learner is able to perform fundamental operations on integers, solve problems using operations on integer under addition and subtractions, and then relate integers involving operation in integers in a real-life situation. So, sa araw na ito is yun ang ating i-achieve, no? Alam ko na alam nyo na ang mag-add and subtract. Then, ang may kaibahan na lang is malalaman nyo mamaya. No? So, para may energy tayo ngayon, no? So, mag-activity muna tayo saglit. So, I want this class to divide it into group, into 4. This is group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. So, in this activity is called picture. No? In this activity is, pauunahan lang kayo sa pag-guess ng picture. I will be the one to flash a picture in my presentation, then guess the picture, okay? Maliwanag ba students? Okay, now, this is the picture number 1 and 2. Okay? And number 3 and 4. Okay, time is up. Tapos na ba? Nag-guess nila ba? Okay, now, sa picture number 1, ano yan kanina? Ano sa kanina is, halata naman is, it is 0. So, number 2 naman, it is signs. No? So, number 3 naman, it is weight. And number 4, it is speed. Speed. So, anyone? But, those words are familiar with you? Anyone? Those words are familiar with you? Okay? Thank you so much. So, do you have any idea of what our lessons for today? Okay? So, let's proceed to that discussion. Okay, now, integers. Integers are 0 and all positive and negative whole numbers. When you first begin to work with integers, imagine a tremendously line that extends infinite to the left and to the right. Now, directly in front of you is a spot on the line we call the center and label it 0. To the left are all negative numbers and to the right are all positive numbers. So, para ma-explain sa inyo, okay lang, para ma-explain sa inyo is, mag-imagine na tayo line. So, students, makikita ba? Okay lang. It is a line. Then we have center, di ba? Ito. This is our center, so we label it as 0. Ang sabi kanina is, ang left side is a negative number. So we have negative infinite number. To the right side we have positive infinite number. So we have So we have positive to the right, then negative to the left. So we have, kung dito na 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the infinite number, then we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and 2, negative infinite. So yun ang integers. Explain ang integers inyo. So, it's all about a positive and negative number. It's all about a positive and negative number. Okay, now, let's proceed to the second slide. Now, paano tayo mag-add ng integers? So, ganito lang yan. In adding integers, we have integers with the same sign. Adding integers that have the same sign is pretty straightforward. Add the two numbers together and maintain the sign. So, this is our example. Now, ganito yan. Ang kanina is we have adding integers with same sign. So, parang elementary level lang. If they are the same sign, you directly proportional add. Straightforward to add it. You know, number 1, 20 plus 10. Automatically, it's 30. as definition said, you have to solve it straightforward. If the sign is the same. Okay, number 2. Negative 30 plus negative 10. Negative 30 plus negative 10 is, okay, negative 40. Bakit naging negative 40? No? So, titingnan yan sila. So, we have, diba, same sign sila. So, disregard the sign and add 30 plus 10 is 40. Then, since they are the same sign, copy the sign. So, we have negative 40. Okay, maliwanag ba? Okay, now, number 3. 25 plus 25. So, automatically direct. So, we have 50. No? So, number 4. Negative 15 plus negative 15. Same as question number 2. Disregard the sign. 15 plus 15 is 30. Then, copy the negative sign. Since they are both the same sign, negative sign. Then, the last number is negative 50 plus negative 50. Negative 50 plus negative 50 equals to negative 100. So, ganito ninyo ang pag-a-add ng integers with the same sign. Parang elementary level na siya. But the difference is may signs na kayo na babantayan. So, ang ito is same sign lang. So, paano pag different sign? So, let's proceed. Integers with different signs. When adding integers with different signs, ignore the signs at first and subtract the smaller number from the larger number. The final sum will retain the sign of the larger added. Okay, this is our example. So, let's proceed. Now, this is our example. So, adding integers with a different signs. So, ganito na yun. Ano yung sabi kanina? Disregard the signs. Subtract the smaller number to the higher number. And then, the sign is kung sino yung may pinakamalaking number, yun ang sign na gagamitin natin. Okay? Maliwanag ba? Okay na. Para mas malaman ninyo, let's solve this. Okay, number 1. So, di ba? Disregard the sign. So, the smaller number 3, subtract into 8. 3 minus 8 is equals to 3 minus 8 equals to 5. Tama ba? Now, ano ang larger number? Ano ang larger number is 8. No? Then 8 is a positive or negative? It is a positive. So, our answer is mathematically positive. O pwede na, wala na. So, our answer is positive. Okay, maliwanag ba? Okay, now, proceed number 2. Negative 50 plus 18. Negative 50 plus 18. As I said, disregard the sign. So, 18 minus 50, we have 32. 32. We have 32. Now, then, ano ang pinakamalaking number? Ang sign. So, we have negative 50, di ba? Malaki ang negative 50. So, our answer is negative. Di ba? Sabi kanina is kung sino yung may highest number, kung ano yung sign niya, is yun ang sign sa ating sagot. Maliwanag ba? Sa ating sum. Sum, ha? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now, let's proceed to number 3. Number 3 naman is we have 30 plus negative 25. 30 plus negative 25, as I said, 25 minus 30 is equals to 5. 5. So now, titingnan naman natin, ano ang may pinakamalaking number? It is 30. Positive or negative? Positive. So that is our answer. Positive 5. Number 4. Negative 15 plus 5. So 5 minus 15, we have 10. Then, what is the larger number? It is negative 15. Since negative, our sum is negative 10. Okay, thank you so much. Number 5. Negative 20 plus 20. Negative 20 plus 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. Okay, ang tanong, sir, ang 0 ba is may sign, positive o negative? Sino makakasagot? Okay. A zero is wala siyang signs because zero is neutral. No? Neutral ang zero. So, hindi natin siya masasabi na positive, hindi rin natin siya masasabi na negative. Nasa gitna siya. Okay, maliwanag ba? Okay, so, yun na ang pag-a-add ng integers na different signs. No? Parang nag-addition siya, pero ang property na gagamitin nyo is subtraction. Then, copy the larger number. Kung ano yung larger number, yun ang sign na gagamitin sa sum natin. Maliwanag na ba? Any questions, clarifications? Since wala, so mag-proceed tayo sa subtraction. Now, in subtracting integers na naman, so, to subtract integers, we will follow some steps that will transform the subtraction problem into an addition problem. Then, when follow the rules of addition, recall that in a subtraction problem, there are three parts: the minuend, the subtrahend, and the difference. So, the difference is here the solution. So, to explain it further, okay, students, please look at the board because I-explain ko. Okay, now, in subtracting integers naman, so, di ba may three parts? Ano yung three parts? This first is our minuend. This first number is our minuend. The second is subtrahend. The second is subtrahend, and then our differences. Our answer is called difference. So, yun na. Alam nyo na yan dahil sa elementary pa lang tinuro na yan sa inyo. Okay, now. Ganito ang process niya. Ang first step is change the sign of the subtrahend. So, alam niyo na kung saan ang subtrahend. Ito. Change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition property. So, we have 12 plus 2. Bakit naging 2? Because, as I said, change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition property. Bakit nag-addition dito? As I said, proceed to addition property. If i-change niya na ang sign ng subtrahend, proceed to addition property na. Hindi na siya subtraction. So, medyo nakakalito siya dahil subtraction siya, pero ang property na gagamitin natin is addition. Pero may change tayo ng sign which is the subtrahend. Okay, now, let's proceed. So, since na-change na natin siya, so we have 12 plus 2 is 14. This is our difference. So, maliwanag ba? Okay, no? Para mas maliwanagan kayo, we have more examples to solve pa. Now, this is other example. Number 1. Negative 10 minus 20. No, sa process kanina i-change natin ang sign ng subtrahend. So, maintain the minuend, negative 10. Then, i-change natin ang sign ni subtrahend. So, magiging negative 20 na siya. Then, this addition is magiging plus. No? Then, direct to addition property, di ba? As I said. So, we have negative 10 plus negative 20 is equals to negative 30. O, diba? Madali lang. Okay, number 2. 100 minus negative 50. Maintain the sign of the subtrahend. Proceed to addition property. And then change the sign of the subtrahend. Since this is negative 15, magiging positive 50 na siya. So, we have 150. Okay, maliwanag ba? Okay, now, kung talagang intindihan, let's practice. Okay. Sino ang makakasagot ito? Negative 200 minus negative 100. Okay? Isusulat muna, maintain the sign of the subtrahend, proceed to addition property, and then change the subtrahend. Okay, anyone? Sino makakapagsagot? Okay. Ma'am Faith, anong sagot is? Negative 100. Bakit naging negative 100? Because mas malaki ang value ni negative number. So, we have the difference of negative. Ang sagot natin, negative 100. Okay. Now, number 3. 25 minus negative 25. Maintain the subtrahend, 25. Then proceed to addition property. Change the sign of the subtrahend. Negative 25 sa magiging 25 siya. 25 so equals to, what the answer is? 50. Very good, students. Okay, now, for the last one. Negative 500 minus negative 500. So we have maintain the subtrahend, negative 500, plus direct to the addition property, then change the subtrahend. Since this is negative, magiging positive siya. So, what will be our answer? Answer is 0. So, maliwanag na ba, students? Any questions for the subtractions? Any questions? Clarifications? Wala na ba? Okay? Wala talaga? Okay, no. Since wala na, is yun, doon na matatapos ang ating discussion. Again, as I said, any question, clarification? Okay, wala. So, since wala na, we have do an activity. No? The same group pa rin kanina. This is group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. 4. No, this is the dimension. This is the dimension. So, with the same group, the teacher will give those flashcards containing letters with problems operation. Each group has own rule about the operation of integers. Then, each group must solve the problem on the flashcards and arrange or form a word from the highest to lowest number of your answer. Then I will be the one who choose your presenter. Okay? Maliwanag ba? No? May ibibigay ako sa inyo ng flashcards containing a alphabetical letters. Then may isosolve kayo. Then ang sagot ninyo is a-arrange nyo from highest to lowest para makaform kayo ng word. And then, i-present nyo kung anong word na na-form ninyo. Okay, maliwanag ba? Okay, this is group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. Okay, you will have 15 minutes to answer. Okay, your activity starts now. Okay? Time is up. Tapos na ba lahat? Okay? Present to number 1. Present to number 2. Present to number 3. Present to number 4. Please forward. Please stand up. Okay, now. Present to number 1. Anong word na form niyo? It's all about addition. Thank you so much, sir. Sa group 2, anong na-form niyo? It is a subtraction. Thank you so much. Group 3. Anong form ninyo? It is positive. Thank you so much. Group 4. Ano ang word form ninyo? It is a negative. Okay, thank you so much. So, no, dun pa lang is nakikita ko na natuto kayo sa topic na rin today dahil na-form ninyo ang word. Okay? Maliwanag ba? Okay, no? How important integers in our life? How important integers in our life? Mr. Kulanan? Okay, thank you so much, sir. Okay, ano pa? Sino pa? Ma'am Catherine. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, now, for the second question is, give me a specific scenario in which operation and integers are being used. Give me a specific scenario in which operation and integers are being used. Okay? Sir Bruno. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Sino pa? Sir Idres. Thank you so much, sir. Sino pa? Sa babae naman. Ma'am Panan. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. And Ma'am Rochelle. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now for the last question is, how did you use operation in finding solution of every problem? how did you use the operation in finding solution of every problem? Okay? Ma'am Ella? Okay, thank you so much for your answer, ma'am. Okay, no? Ma'am Jessica? Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. No? Then, for the last one, okay, Mr. Tubi. Mr. Tubi? Okay, thank you for your answer. So, maliwanag na ba? Any question clarification? Okay, since wala na, then since by group din kanina, so ngayon, iti-test natin ang sarili niya kung may talagang natutunan kayo. Now, we have a short quiz lang naman, no, to test your learnings for today. So, get one half piece of paper, crosswise tayo, and then answer it. No? So, you have 10 minutes to do this. No? Okay, you can now start now. Okay, time is up. No? Since ipasa nyo na yung papel, dahil ako na ang mag-check niyan. Thank you so much. Okay. Any questions, clarification, students? Okay, naintindihan na ba? Madali lang ba ang ating class discussion for today? Okay, thank you so much. Since wala kayong question, so bibigay ako ng assignment sa inyo. So, assignment, advanced study about operation of integers under multiplication and division. Since ang topic natin for today is addition and subtraction lang, tomorrow, please advance study for the multiplication and division. Okay, maliwanag ba? Okay, thank you students and God bless us all. Please stand up. Then, goodbye class.